Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I am so excited to be unboxing my February 2020 Boxycharm box and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So I'm going to be comparing the two because these are both $25 a month. And I haven't actually compared the Ipsy $25 box to the Boxycharm $25 box. So I'm really interested to see how they're going to compare because I feel like that's such a rivalry between those two subscription beauty services. So first off, I was like double checking that this is the regular Boxycharm box that's $25 because the box is so much bigger. But this is funny, I actually have last month's Boxycharm box next to me, which is like the same size as my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. And I feel like the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus boxes don't usually change in size, but a much bigger box this month for the Boxycharm boxes. Maybe just larger products. But so both of these are, like I said, they're beauty subscription boxes that come monthly. And with Ipsy, I have all three levels of the subscription box. I already did my unboxing of the regular Glam Bag, which is $12 a month, and the Glam Bag Ultimate, which is $50 a month. So I will have that video linked down below. And so the Ipsy box is $25 a month, but honestly, living in Massachusetts, there is tax on it, which brings it to like 26 something. And the Boxycharm box, which is $25 a month if you subscribe to just 1 month at a time. But I actually subscribe to 3 months at a time, so it makes it a little bit less expensive, maybe around $23, $24. So there is that little price difference that I just wanted to note between these two boxes. But okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox these and show you what I got in Ipsy and what I got in Boxycharm. So let's start with Ipsy here. So here, I got a product card, no product information. On my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate unboxing video, I got a lot of comments saying that people were not getting product descriptions or product cards, which I think is such a bummer. I did hear that you can get the information in the Ipsy app, so we'll see if that's what I need to do because I would really like to compare the total value between these two $25 boxes. But I really wish Ipsy would include product information cards. But so let's pull out some products. Wow, this is some beautiful packaging. I don't know what could be in here. It says La Rousse. Oh my gosh, brushes. They came in such a cute little envelope. But so this is a brush set, looks like a flat top, an angled cheek brush, and then 3 eye brushes. I've never heard of the brand La Rousse. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but these look and feel very nice. But I actually already got a 5-piece, I think, eye brush set in my Glam Bag Ultimate. So here's another brush set. And you know what? After this, I really don't need any more brushes, even though the brushes that I usually get in Ipsy are really nice. And then, oh, this box is open, but this is Dr. Botanicals PO, Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Another mask. I got a bunch of masks in my Glam Bag Ultimate, and masks are something that I keep putting low on my reviews that I don't want them anymore. But I do use a sleeping mask every night. It says that you should only use this 2 to 3 times a week. Vegan, cruelty-free, 98% natural, so that's cool. Cute packaging on this because I love pink. I'll give this a try. So far, both brands are brands that I haven't tried before or really even heard of, which I love discovering new brands through Ipsy, so that's really exciting for me. And then, ooh, this is the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. What's it called? I can't find a name for it other than Dominique Cosmetics, but this is adorable packaging with like the sweater on it. I have not tried out a Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, but gosh, this packaging is gorgeous. And I really like these colors here. They're all matte, which I kind of like that. This is so cute. Okay, so if you're not already aware, I try out a new makeup product every day on my YouTube channel. I've done over 700 days. It's a lot of makeup that I've tried so far, but I do full dedicated review videos on all of my makeup products that I get in these subscription boxes. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of those videos. And I am so excited to try this out in a full dedicated review, swatches, tutorial, the whole thing in that video coming very soon. And then I also got, oh, the glam bag. You know what? This is not what I was expecting. It basically looks like a monthly, like $12 Ipsy Glam bag. It's like the same size. There's nothing really special to it. I mean, I like the colors and the fabric that were used in February's Ipsy Glam bags, like the makeup bags, but the design, the layout is not impressing me. And last month I loved the like structure of the bags. The Glam Bag Plus had a little handle on it, which is perfect for a little clutch purse. But this one is probably just gonna go into my pile of Ipsy Glam bags that I'm saving for like gift bags. These are really good for fitting a little card, a gift card, a few products when giving someone a gift. And then, oh, this is the product that I chose. I believe this is what I chose. Ipsy lets you choose one product for each of your glam bags, and this is the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. And if you've been watching my channel, you probably know that I love Wander Beauty. I've tried out a bunch of products and I love them, but I have not tried out this foundation yet, and I am so excited. And this is a full-size product, so I know that Wander Beauty is not very inexpensive, so I'm definitely getting good value in this box. My last product that I have here, this is from the brand Il Maquillage, and this is the ink liner. I love the Il Maquillage mascara. I'm actually wearing that on my lashes right now. I will have that mascara from Il Maquillage review video linked in the description down below if you want to see that. So I know that I like this brand, so I'm excited to try out this eyeliner, but I feel like I get so many liquid eyeliners from Ipsy lately that I really don't need anymore. I don't wear them that often. So that is what I got in Ipsy. Let's move on to Boxycharm. I'm relatively new to Boxycharm. This might be like my third or fourth box that I'm getting, but then Ipsy I've been getting for over a year now. But I have been so impressed and excited about Boxycharm, whereas Ipsy has kind of been disappointing me a little bit lately. So this is going to be quite the competition. This came really beautifully packaged. So the first product I'll pull out here, Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. So I've actually tried out the Ciate London Extraordinary Setting Powder, and I really like that. So I will actually have that video linked down below on that setting powder if you want to see it. But so I'm excited to try out this Vacay Coconut version, which actually, I did not get a product description card in Boxycharm either, which I saw some comments of people saying that they didn't get a product card in Boxycharm, and that's a real bummer because I don't know if there's a way to find your product information on the Boxycharm website. So if there is, let me know in the comments down below on how to find that, because I've tried before and I couldn't figure it out. So maybe you can help me. But this looks so pretty, and I'm sure this is not cheap. But I've been trying out a few different Ciate London blushes that I got in Boxycharm and Ipsy, that did not impress me. So maybe Ciate London will redeem themselves with this setting powder here. Oh my gosh, more brushes. This is from the brand Moda Pro by Royal and Langnickel, 5-piece deluxe eye kit. Well, these look nice, 100% vegan, but so that's 15 new brushes that I got this month, and I already have a ton of brushes, but these look really nice, and it means that I have to clean my brushes less because I have so many backups to use when I've dirtied up the other ones. So, all right, but I don't think, like I said before, I need any more brushes. And then, ooh, what's this? This is from the brand Queen, but spelled Qveen. I'm not familiar with that brand. And this is Matte Liquid Lip Satin. Ooh, pretty. I love a red lip, and I love trying out new makeup brands. So, ooh, this looks like beautiful packaging. It feels really nice. So I am really excited about that too. Okay, and then, ooh, from the brand Luxie, which I know that's a nice brand, Complexion Sponge Set, Bake, Contour, and Detail. This is so awesome. I actually don't think I've ever gotten makeup sponges in my Ipsy boxes, so this is pretty cool. I love makeup sponges. It's my preferred makeup tool that I use to apply pretty much all of my products, except for like eyeshadows and my blush and bronzer. But foundation, concealer, powder, I use makeup sponges all the time, and I've tried out so many different ones, so I'm pretty picky, so it'll be really interesting to see how these are. And then my last product, so that's 5 products that came in each of the boxes. Wow, this is really big. This is probably why the box was so big this month, because this like wouldn't have been able to fit in the smaller Boxycharm box, but whoa. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the product that I chose for my Boxycharm box, since you get to choose one product of that as well. But oh my gosh, this packaging. Whoa. This is everything. Like, so perfect. So many beautiful shimmers, so many beautiful mattes, and they're all like these neutral, kind of warm tones that I love and I'm so drawn to. Wow. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this out. So this is from the brand Iconic London. It's the Day to Slay eyeshadow palette, which I have not tried out any Iconic London eyeshadow palettes yet. So this is so exciting for me. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to try this out right away because I cannot wait. It's so beautiful. I feel like I did get some really, really beautiful eyeshadow palettes this month. I got 4 eyeshadow palettes total, and they're all so pretty. So I'm really excited to play around with eyeshadows. So those are my unboxing. That's what I got in both of my February 2020 $25 level subscription boxes. So I'll do a quick recap. I'm gonna go ahead and try and look up the value of these products. So the Iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette, $62. That is fancy for me, but it's so big that it seems like it's probably worth it. Wow, this Moda Pro 5-piece deluxe eye kit retails for $27.95. The Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder retails for $22. This Queen Matte Liquid Lip Stain retails for $17. And oh my gosh, the Luxie Complete Sponge Set retails for $40. That is so fancy to me for a sponge because I love like almost a dollar store sponge. So I'm really happy with those high value items that I got in Boxycharm. So I will add up the total retail value of both boxes, but let me just do the recap of Ipsy now. So Ipsy, I got the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Oh, it doesn't say it on the product here, but looking on the Ipsy app, it's the Sweater Weather eyeshadow palette. Retail value of $29. The Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask has a retail value of $12. So actually pretty affordable for skincare. The Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation, which I got in the shade Fair, retails for $40. And then the LaRousse Essential Brush Set, retail value of $154. These are some fancy brushes. Wow, that might have put the value of Ipsy above Boxycharm just because of the brushes. And those aren't even products that I really would have purchased on my own, but I'm really gonna use them now. And then my last Ipsy product is Il Makiage Ink Liner in Black, which has a retail value of $21. And then Ipsy did come with this makeup bag as well, but I don't think I'm gonna add any extra value to my total because of this makeup bag. It would be kind of cool though if Boxycharm added something. I mean, I don't even really want a makeup bag, but if they added something that was like a makeup bag to their box that added that value, I don't know what it should be because I don't want it to be a makeup bag, but some little accessory, I feel like that would be cool and it would bring it up to Ipsy's level. Okay, so my grand total. Boxycharm has a retail value of $168.95, and Ipsy has a retail value of $256, which I'm surprised. If I had not looked up the retail value on these, I would have thought that my Boxycharm was a higher retail, and it's really because of those brushes. Because without the brushes, my Ipsy would have been at $102 retail value, which $168.95 for the Boxycharm. The Boxycharm is higher value. Honestly, I'm really excited about the products that I got in both of these boxes. I think I got really great makeup in both of them, and makeup is what I really want the most. I didn't get any skincare in Boxycharm, which kind of makes me like it a little bit more, just because I'm not like super excited about this skincare product that I got in Ipsy. But in both of them I did get brushes, which I'm not super excited about, but seeing how expensive these Ipsy brushes are, that makes me a little bit more excited about them. But I got beautiful eyeshadow palettes in both of them, except for, I will say, I think that the eyeshadow palette in my Boxycharm box is a bit more exciting because it's huge and it's expensive and it's beautiful. But I'm also really excited about that Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So I guess I'm just really glad that I'm subscribed to both of these, and I don't really feel like they compete because aside from an eyeshadow palette and brushes, which you can have tons of different versions of those, I didn't get duplicate types of products in my boxes. So I feel like they're all products that I will actually really use and really enjoy. But we're gonna find out for sure how much I actually enjoy them in my full dedicated review videos. So like I said, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video today. I would love to hear in the comments down below what you got in your Ipsy and Boxycharm boxes. Let me know which you prefer. Do you prefer Boxycharm or do you prefer Ipsy? And thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow in my next video.